What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BT8 This is going to be our 4-lug hub kit for a 1-inch spindle. This is going to work for most Dexter, Alco, Lippert, Hayes axles. This will not work for the marine axles. See right here, this is the box to get it in. We'll pop this open and we have our small parts here wrapped up nice and neat. And then we're going to have our hub here wrapped up. So we can see here that this is going to be our 4-lug hub with 1/2-inch studs. This is going to be the one that fits the 1-inch spindle. We can see right here, this one is roughly 6 inches wide. And this piece is 2 inches tall. And then this is about 2 1/4 wide right here. So we have that, and then we're going to pull our small parts out here. We're going to have two 44643 bearings for the inner and outer. We're going to have our seal here, and this is going to be 1 1/4 on the inside and 1.9 on the outside. And we're going to have our 4 lug nuts here, and then we're going to get our cap. And this cap is just going to pop on right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're good to go. That's the BT8 121E.